wabarakatuh. My name is Akaya Rastari. I wanna explain my project. Part 1. Definition element of drama. Element of drama are basic component that form a dramatic work and help convey the story, meaning, and emotional impact to the audience. According to literary theory, these elements work together to build the structure of a play and guide how the drama is performed and interpreted. According to Aristotle in Poetics, drama is composed of several essential elements such as plot, character, theme, diction, spectacle, and music, which together create and complete aesthetic experience. Main element of drama. First is plot. According to Aristotle, plot is the most important element of a drama because it represents the argument of action. A good plot follow a logical cause and effect structure with clear beginning, middle, and end. Aristotle emphasizes that tragedy in methods, action rather than character, and an effect. Plot often includes referral and recording to create emotional impact on the audience. Second is character. Character refers to individual who perform the action in a drama. Explain that characters are secondary to plot because it is action that determines the outcome of the story. A story character should be consistent and moral purposeful, but imperfect. This imperfect, known as hamartia, leads to the character downfall and makes the drama more realistic. Next is setting. Setting is refers to the time and place where the dramatic action occur. Although Aristotle does not focus heavily on setting, he suggests that it should support the unity of action. A stable setting help the audience understand the context and strengthen in credibility of even in a drama. Next is theme. Theme, or what Aristotle calls the dianoia, is the central idea or message of the drama is expressed through the character, action, decision, and dialogue rather than direct explain belief that them reveals moral and philosophical idea embedded with the plot. Next is conflict. Conflict is struggle between opposing forces. The drivers the plot forward. In Aristotle's view, conflict arises from human choice and moral dilemmas. Internal conflict, especially with the protagonist, is essential in tragedy because it lends to emotional tension and ultimately produce characters for audience. Next, dialogue. Dialogue or the session lexicon is the use of language in drama. Aristotle emphasizes that the language should be clear, apparent, and expression. Through dialogue, characters reveal their emotion and motivation will almost also moving the plot forward. And the last is spectacle. Spectacle includes visual elements such as costume, stage design, and special effects. Aristotle considers spectacle the least important element because it depends more than on perform than literary skill. When used properly, it can extend the emotional effect of the drama without shouting the plot. Example: Helmet by William Speicher. Plot: Helmet seeks revenge for his father-mother. Conflict, internal conflict, Helmut has tension and external conflict, Helmut versus King Claudius. Theme is revenge, menace, morality, and betrayal. Evidence, Helmut focus, sociological to be or not to be. Acts 3, Scenes 1, show the element or conflict and them as Helmut struggle between life and death. Next example is Meg by William Shakespeare. Character Macbeth as a tragic hero whose ambition leads to downfall. Theme is ambition, power, faith, and guilt. Conflict members internal struggle and external with another character. Evidence in Act 1, Scene 7, Macbeth debate killing King Dushan, clearly showing internal conflict and of as element of drama. Conclusion, element of drama are essential because they structure the story and guide the audience understanding. Without the elements of drama would lose in meaning, emotional depth, and content. The definition of melodrama. Melodrama is dramatic genre characterized by extreme emotional, clear moral pluralism between good and evil, and sentences of even intended to evoke strong emotional response from the audience. Characteristic of melodrama. First is extended emotion. Melodrama emphasizes intense the high emotional expression. Feelings such as love, fear, anger, and suffering are often extended to create a strong emotional response from the audience than psychological reason. Next is moral message. A key feature of melodrama is clear moral purpose. The narrative of reference moral value by rendering versus pursuing evil, guiding the audience through intentional lesson or social criticism. Next, the last is clear distinction between hero and villain. In melodrama, characters are presented in a very clear moral opposition. The hero is usually portrayed as innocent, virtuous, and moral upright, while the villain represents evil or corrupting. The sharp contrast help the audience easily identify who deserves sympathy and who should be commended. Next, character of melodrama, sensational plot twist. The plot is melodrama. Frequently include dramatic and sensual events such as sudden revelation, betrayal, or unexpected reveal of future. These elements are used to main excitement and emotional translate through the story. Next, audience sympathy for the victim's character. Melodrama is designed to evoke strong sympathy for character who suffer injustice or oppression. The victim pain is highlight to exhibit the audience emotional and accurate empathy towards their situation. Example: Uncle Tom Cabin by Harry Breakerstone. Genre as melodrama. Theme is chivalry and humanity. Characteristics: strong emotional appeal and moral conflict between good and evil. Evidence: the suffering of Uncle Tom is portrayed in extended emotional way to arouse sympathetic and convey moral message against slavery. Example: Liber Twist by Charles Dickens. Genre is melodramatic novel. Character: Oliver as innocent victim, Fagin and Claire villain. Theme: social injustice and poverty. Evidence overly report suffering and especially currently for villains emphasizing emotional impact typical of melodrama. Conclusion melodrama. Melodrama focused on emotional storytelling and moral reality through extended situation and character. Melodrama help audience easily identify moral value and social criticism. Next is part 2, case study and cultural day. Next is Hello. Intrinsic element. The intrinsic element is in Hello include the social and culture context of Elizabeth England particular attitudes through race, gender, and military hierarchy. The play refers anxiety about anxieties about outsider as Hello is more serving fantasy society. Vertical value dominate the setting, shaping expression of female obedience and male honor. The external factor strongly influence how character judge Desdemona and how easily logo manipulate such. Influence on the drama. The element shape the plot by making jealousy and mistrust believable with the redundant the social structure. Adele's status as both a respected general and radical outsider intensify his insecurity, which Lago exploits the social pressure to maintain honor excellent to the tragic outcome, gender, gender and evidence. Although at Hello in tragic, this evidence through the downfall of the noble protagonist caused by a fatal flaw and Hello jealousy. Specific scenes as justified in Act 3, Scene 3, the temptation scenes Lago manipulate at Hello into believing Desdemona is unfaithful. This scenes clearly lends to the tragic death and the end, comparing the play the tragic plays gender. King Lear, intrinsic element. King Lear reflects the political context of monarchy and inheritance during Speaker time. The belief in the divine right of king and empress of filial obedience are central intrinsic factor. Social expansion about loyalty with families and kingdom shape the character action. Influence on the drama. Lear dedication to define his kingdom beside of verbal expression of love reflect the dangers of misjudgment in leadership. The intrinsic belief that authority equals freedom in challenge as chaos follow Lear abdication of power. Gender and evidence. King Lear to the genre is tragedy. The play portrays the moral and psychological collapse of a king, leading to widespread suffering and death. Specific scenes as Lear madness on the Act 3. Act 3. Natural Act 3 symbolizes the breakdown of social and natural order, the death of Cardinal Lear in Act 5, confirming the tragic result. Macbeth, intrinsic element at play, is influenced by Jacobin belief in witchcraft, faith, and the supernatural return during the reign of King James. King James I, Macbeth reflects concern about rigidity and the stability of monarchy. Influence the drama. On the drama, belief in supernatural prophecy, motive Macbeth ambition, cultural fears of moral disorder following the murder of king intensify the sense of inevitable punishment. Genre and evidence. Macbeth is tragedy centered on ambition and moral corrupting. Specific sense of as justification. The Mother King Dachshund is in Act 2, mark the irreversible turning point. Macbeth, eventual downfall, and death in Act 5 in present the tragedy gender. His helmet, intrinsic element. Helmet is shaped by renunciation, humanized, and philosophical concern about life, death, and reverence. The culture expectation of avenging a murder after strongly influence Helmet's action. Influence on the drama. There is element creating Helmet internal conflict between moral hesitation and social duty. His intellectual nature contrasts with the violent preferred culture surrounding him. Gender and evidence. Helmet is tragedy. The focus on psychological struggle and moral ambiguity. Specific scenes as justify. Helmet sensical to be or not to be. Act 3 since 1 highlight his existential dilemma. The final scenes where nearly all major characters die confirms the tragedy genre. Is Cultural Day, Theories of Literature by Aaron Fox. Aaron Fox explained that the main purpose of analyzing literary works is not merely to read a story but to understand three key dimensions. First is the text itself, examining what is basically written off the page. Second, the meaning behind the word, discovering implied or implication message. Third, the word studying the text, understanding the outer background and the historical, social, and cultural condition in which the work was created. Arendt divides literary analysis into complementary approaches: intrinsic analysis, internal focus. The approach examines elements with the text such as diction, word choice, tone, style, preparation, and another point technique. For example, in a quoting from Shelby Palette, intrinsic analysis interprets the reference of I am as resembling the rhythm of the heartbeat. Intrinsic element, external focus. This approach Consider factors outside the text include the author biography, such as Sylvia Plath's mental health, historical context, cultural influence, such as colonialism in the world, the Lord of the Rings, and psychological perspective. One of most compelling idea emphasized by Urban Parks in Safe and Authority of Her Meaning on book and published and enter in the public domain, the author lose full control over meaning. Our tech Aaron's use illustration or meme to show that the text how belong to everyone. Painting readers have the right to construct meaning based on their own perspective and analytical approach. Case study discussed is Harry Potter, how J.K. Rowling current person view influence the way readers interpret her work. Next is intrinsic and intrinsic element by Mr. Bernard. At, inter- at the International Court today, Mr. Bernard explained the literature can be understood through intrinsic and intrinsic elements which help reader interpret meaning from both the text its context. Intrinsic element focus what inside the literary work itself, the approach analyzes elements such as plot, character, setting, theme, language, style, imagery, and symbols. In intrinsic analysis, the text is viewed as a self-contained work and interpretation is based on what is written. For example, is a story about broken family and intrinsic approach examines the child emotion, the such narrative tone and symbolism like a empty house that represent loneliness and emotional distraction. On the other hand, intrinsic element focus on factor outside the text that influence the work. This include the outer background, historical period, social condition, culture, and an ideology. The intrinsic approach helps explain why a text was written, what social issue it responds to. For instance, understanding a story about poverty becomes deeper when readers know that the author grew up in poor neighborhood or that the story was written during a time of economic hardship. In conclusion, as present by Mr. Bernard, both intrinsic and intrinsic approach are important in literary analysis. Intrinsic elements help reader understand how meaning is created with the text, while intrinsic elements explain how internal context shape the work. The strongest is evidently comes from combining both approaches. Thank you so much for listening my presentation and see you.